This video will show you how to watch your program recordings. To access your recordings from the on-screen program guide, press the back button on your Apple remote to open the top navigation bar. Then press the left or right side of your remote ring until you've highlighted Recordings. From here, press the up or down arrow of your remote to scroll through the recording options: Current, Future, or Rules. To play programs that have already been recorded, highlight Current and scroll through them by pressing the left or right side of your remote ring. Once you've found a program or program series that you would like to watch, press the center of your remote ring, highlight the program you want to watch, and then press the play/pause button on your remote to watch the program. If you started watching the program earlier, you will have the option to resume where you left off or to start over with the program. And that's all there is to it. The recording program feature puts you in control so you can watch TV when you want to watch it.